Hey, I got the panda. I got many pandas. I got so many pandas. I got all the pandas. You see all these pandas? That's a lot of pandas.
Folks, we got Robo Pandas. We have a Robo Panda drone as a little side build. We've got a Robo Panda bot. Well, Robo Panda. Robo Panda. Them's chaps, my people. Them's chaps. These outfits are awesome, right? Cat's got roller skates. Skates! Head, I've seen it in a couple places. You want to get a good scared expression. Karen hair. We got this Pan Man. This is one of my favorite heads of all time for any minifigure. And here we see double-sided face. There's the front. And the back, the same as was in the previous version of this figure. And the back on that shirt is kinda awesome. Almost looks like a concert shirt. But for Noodles. Little panda face sticker there. Digitally awesome. Closer here with a double-sided Panda Bot head. Content. Enraged. It's got a gun here, and that shoots. yeah. Apparently it's spicy. Stud shooters over on the other side with a soda can. Alright, now for the moment you've all been waiting for. Star of the show. The Noodle tank. Of course, it's kind of clattery because those are hard plastic treads. Drive mechanism is the same as the last thing that I got the treads in, which was the snow mover. Sticks on the back there. You have, and here we can just spin them around actually. Over here on this arm, there's a little refrigerator which has a disc shooter here in the back. Roll a little closer here. And then spare noodles inside with a soda as well. And that is a great little refrigerator build. Got a little pot top shield on the arm, which, I mean, anybody who's worked in a kitchen, anybody who's cooked, you can appreciate so much of that's going on here. And like, he's got an entire kitchen. There's an entire kitchen and it is stacked out and things are going. I'm not going to tip it too far because the eggs and the dumplings are sitting loose inside the pans.